Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is to announce a new build that was released this afternoon, Friday. It doesn't happen very often. We have a Friday build. Build 22579 is now the latest build available. And if we look at the blog post quickly, so bug bash, okay. USB remove, okay, some interesting features here. What else do we have? Changes and improvement, update to the print queue experience. We have redesign of the open with dialog box that began rolling out. So they're bringing it back to the old design. Some stuff for the start menu. Okay, now you can give names to the folders. That's cool. And then feedback hub, pin site suggestion, get started. Okay, that's kind of interesting. Windowing. So there are some new windowing features of animations, I guess. Task manager, input, and then of course all the fixes. So there's some stuff to look at. I am installing it now. So I'll be, of course, testing it, and we'll be talking about it a little more either later today or tomorrow, Saturday. We'll have a few videos, and we'll talk about the Windows 11 build 22579. So if you are on the Windows Insider Dev channel, what you have to do, simply head on to your settings. In the settings, head on to the Windows Updates and click for Updates. You should have the build 22579 now available for you in the dev channel. Once again, a very rare Friday build. Usually they try to do it on the weekdays. In case something goes wrong, it's easier for them to manage. But this time around, we're getting our Friday build before the weekend. So check it out, and of course I'll be talking more about it and mentioning some of the features in a video coming up in the next day. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.